Hello, I'm in a 2015 Ford Edge, and today I'm going to show you how to switch the language on your interface between English, Spanish, or French. So first we will start the vehicle, and then we will wait a few moments for everything to load. So once this is loaded, from here you can go to your settings, and then we're going to go to System on top, and then here you can switch to Spanish, English, or French. So let's say we want Spanish. It's going to take a moment and it'll auto change everything to show Spanish, which you can see it already did it over here, so it's in Spanish now.
Idioma configurado en español.
It's also speaking in Spanish, and obviously I speak English, so in a moment I'm going to switch it all back to English. So same buttons, Sistema, Idioma, and here's English. And again, it'll take that same amount of time roughly to switch back to English. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.